Hi, my name is Olivia. Today's lesson is about verbs that are followed by infinitives. I feel hungry and it's lunchtime, so I want to have my lunch soon. Where will I have lunch today? I agreed to go to the restaurant with my friend for lunch. Let's look at this sentence again. I want to have my lunch soon. Where is the infinitive? After the verb want. Is the infinitive a subject or object? It's an object. We use the infinitive form after a verb as an object. Let's take a look at some more examples. Sophia agreed to write the report by Friday. This is how the infinitive is used after a verb. Take a look. Subject plus verb plus infinitive plus object. Let's look at some examples. Mary decided to go on holiday. He offered to help Dad with the garden. Some verbs can be followed by an infinitive, but cannot be followed by the ing form. For example, we don't say, Mary decided going on holiday. We say, Mary decided to go on a holiday. Also, we don't say, he offered helping Dad with the garden. We say instead, he offered to help Dad with the garden. Some verbs can only be followed by an infinitive and are not followed by the ing form. Want and agree are examples of these verbs. Decide and offer are other examples of verbs that can have an infinitive after the verb, but not the ing form. There are some verbs that can be followed by either the infinitive form or a gerund. Some examples include remember, forget, begin, start, stop, keep, and try. Let's do some quick practice. Notice the stress. I want to buy a shirt and trousers. Let's repeat the sentence together. Remember, the stress is on to buy and shirt. I want to buy a shirt and trousers. Here are some more verbs that are followed by the infinitive. Afford, agree, aim, appear, arrange, bother, care, claim, condescend, consent, decide, demand, determine, endeavour. Try to use these verbs in examples of your own. Now you can use verbs followed by the infinitive. Today, we learned when we use the infinitive, using the infinitive after a verb, using the infinitive or ing form after a verb. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye!